Hey folks, Dave Parrish here with Knack Builders. Here's today's topic. Edit related fields from a child view. I'm going to show you what I mean here. I'm going to talk about this data structure. This is an organization that puts on like home shows, bridal shows. So we got a thing that shows. This gets all the information about the show. And one of the pieces of information we get is what venue, what location it's going to be. So we have a separate table of venues with information about the facility, address, different contacts there, a whole bunch of stuff. So let me show you what the deal is. Here's a list of shows. And we mentioned the venue in it. It's connected to it. But I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Let's go to a view here. So we have a bunch of information about the show, and then we want ready available to us different information, sales contacts, whoever, at the venue. These are part of the venue record. So on this view, we can plop in an edit button, and Knack's going to default to let us update show information. But if we want to be able to update the contact fields in the venue without having to back up, go to venue, find that venue, and edit it. I'm going to do it right while we're working. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's simple. This is really for newer folks who didn't realize that you have the ability to do that. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the lowdown. Here's this view that I showed you where we have a bunch of information, detailed view about the show itself. All these fields are native to show. But here, the other side, we're drawing in whatever venue we selected for the show, where it's going to be. We're drawing in these other contacts and other information that we want to know about the venue. And some of this stuff changes. And we don't want to have to go back to some other venue table, find the venue, click edit there, then come back here if something's changed. We just want to be able to do it right here. So we plop in an edit button. I'm going to go to the back end. And Knack's going to default to whatever record or table this is, this table of shows. That's going to give us a edit show, and you put whatever field you want editable there. But we also want to be able to do those venue different contacts right on the fly with one button without having to navigate back. Now, for a while, I didn't realize you did that. They plop in the default edit, and I work with that. But you can do whatever you want. As long as they're related, you have access to it. Well, if it's a parent record, you have access. So when you do add view, I'm going to say a form, and I want to say update. Now, this is going to give us whatever is available in the right data structure to edit. So in this case, I clicked add venue and update edit venues. And it's already there, but I add it, and then up top we can edit anything we want about the show, and then there's a form. In this case, there's a form underneath that. Now if you want to deal with edit venue stuff, it's right here. You can change the contact, do whatever you want. So I'm going to go to that. Up top's edit show stuff, one form. I don't mind having two forms in this use case on the same page. Underneath, you can update any of the stuff you want to in the vendor or the venue side too. Pretty straightforward. I didn't know that when I was first building out. I wish I did. Now you do. Take care, folks. Thanks.